Good morning. So this is my outfits of the day. Let's see if we can get a better look. These pants are from Old Navy. I have a bralette on from Forever 21, which I had in my bralettes video. This was a thrifted top, and my sandals are from Rainbow. I got them last year. Oh, my butt looking nice. Hey. All right, I gotta hurry up. It's time to go. But I'm not doing my makeup. I'm running errands and I'm tired. So this is the look for today. And if you don't like it, then leave. Bring you guys along on my shopping day in a life with me. Not really day in a life because I don't do this every day, but on a shopping day with me. Running errands and whatnot. So if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like and comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys know what time it is. It's car wash time. I wasn't really planning on coming to the car wash, but I need to stop at Salvation Army before they open at 9, and the car wash is down the street from there. So I said, might as well waste these little 15 minutes at the car wash. My hair is looking crazy. I just didn't feel like going through it, picking it, trimming. I didn't feel like doing it today. So I just got done with the car wash. I'm going to Salvation Army to drop off some stuff. They open in 3 minutes. So I got a bunch of stuff back there that I have to drop off. After that, I'm gonna go and get a pedicure. I'm gonna bring you guys along, and what else was it? I'm gonna go to IKEA. I have to go to IKEA and return something. I got a desk because I want to replace my vanity, and I decided when I got it home that I didn't like it. I never opened it, thank God. So I don't have to, return a bunch of pieces. It's still in the box, so that's gonna go back. And then I want to do a little Primark trip. There's this bag that I am looking for that I've seen that other Primarks carry, but my Primark has not had it in like the past 3 trips. So since I'm going to be in the area, we're going to go to Primark and then maybe bring you guys to lunch. I'm not sure what I'm going to eat yet, but since I'm going to be in a different area, I figured, try to find something different to eat while I'm there. There's a place I have in mind, but I'm not sure yet, so I'm not going to tell you guys until you see it in the video, because we'll see how I feel when it comes time to eat lunch. I talked about this before. I think it might have been on IG. But the guy at Salvation Army, he is so funny. Like the past few times I've come here, he's the one that's, at the collection or the drop-off area. And he is just a flirt. He's a cute, not cute, but older man, and he's just so nice. He's a gentleman. But I walked out, he was like, "Oh, you looking lovely. Look, you looking beautiful today. So lovely." Just a flirting away. He said. So I opened up my trunk, and there were 2 frames back there that I was getting out, and I was handing them to him. He said, "Oh, you're giving me those too?" I have like a big pack of Gatorades for Kyron that we didn't take in, and I was like, "No, but you want a Gatorade?" He was like, "Oh yeah, I'll take one." And so I gave him one, and then he was like, "Oh," so he said, "What you doing for Memorial Day? I know you're cooking now." And I was like, "Well, sir, not really. I'm looking for a cookout to go to." But it's just funny. He's just, I love, he's just always so happy. That Primark is scratched off of the list, we are gonna go get some lunch because I is hungry. I ate a turkey stick, a beef stick, but turkey stick and cheese, and had half of a protein shake. So bitch wants some food, and I have a place in mind. I'm hoping, I'm in the parking lot now, and I'm really hoping that you can eat inside. I don't know if you can or not, because I see people picking up to go. I don't know if they're opened up, they're like seating, but I'm gonna go figure it out and bring you guys along, because we don't have one of these in the town that I live in. So whenever I'm in the area that has one of these, I like to get their food because it's good. So it looks like there are people eating inside. And this is the very popular Shake Shack. I want one of these where we live. I wanted a shake, but then I saw this mango passion fruit and I was like, I need something refreshing. So I decided to get this. IKEA, and I was just in a rush and I didn't record when I was coming in, but I found out that they do have the bed for Errands, so I'm gonna get it while I'm here. So these are the slats that go underneath the mattress, so that's what I gotta get right here. I'm grabbing the beam that goes in the middle of the bed. This is the center support. The bed that I'm getting, Kai, is the mom and the full size. So it comes in 2 pieces, big ass boxes, piece 1 and piece 2. I have a problem. I'm gonna have to go look for somebody to help me. I don't know about that. I could get the little skinny one, but that big one is big. Found someone to help me. It was very nice. He got it off, and now I gotta go back to him to figure out where something else is. Since I was here and I'm still trying to find a desk, I can cross this, and the measurements are perfect because my space is up to 40 inches. So I'm gonna try this out. I don't know if this part, the width this way, is gonna be too long for my space, but if it is, then I guess I'll bring it back. And I'm getting white legs as well. And then I was looking for, they have like these little side tables. The one I have in my living room is black, and I was looking for a white one, but I found something similar, and they have it in white because I want a white one. So I found this. So it's this, but it'll be in white. White, so they do have the black and the white, which is like the more square one, but I do want to change from the living room, so I'm going to go ahead and get the longer one because I've had these kinds of tables this size for a long time. Before I had black, I had a blue one, and yeah, so definitely going to go for a change this time around. IKEA to return something. So the only reason why I ended up getting more dings is because, I think I mentioned it earlier, because Kyron's bed had been, long story short, I thought that they didn't have the bed. They had the bed, so I said, F it, I'm here, let's get the bed. I didn't need anything from IKEA. That's literally like the only thing that I had to get because I've been wanting to get him a new bed for quite some time. So I finally got that. That's out the way. Well, now we just gotta put it together. So I showed you guys that I found a desk. We're gonna squeeze that in there, see if that fits. And the table for the living room. I knew that at some point I would want a getaway table. I wasn't looking for it. I wasn't in the business of shopping for a table, but I saw that, so I was like, might as well, because I love me some IKEA stuff. I'll probably do a different video showing my IKEA items, because I'm going to be putting a lot together. That's what I ended up doing at IKEA. That took up some more time more than I expected. So the day is going by fast. It's already 3:38. It's just going. My next up is Trader Joe's. Every time I'm in this area, if I can possibly make it to Trader Joe's on my way back home before they close, I try to do that, because I love me some Trader Joe's stuff, and we don't have it back where I live. We don't have a lot of shit, so I have to travel, and it's okay. I like going for the ride. One of the things that I know I'm gonna get for sure is plantain chips. Last time that I went, I got plantain chips. I didn't open them up till the other day. When I took the first bite of that plantain chip, baby, that shit was so good. I was hyped. I was like, okay, next time I go, I'm gonna get 2 of these. So I'm gonna go get me some plantain chips. There's this like vanilla mix that they have, vanilla cake mix. I'm gonna get me one of those. There's something else that I wanted to get that was on my list. I think it was something from like the frozen section. The ones I was talking about, they're so freaking good, but they have a lot of different plantains. Bathroom, I asked Kyron to get everything out of the grocery bags for me, and look at what I come to. It's all nice and piled up. So good. So I got a bunch of seasonings. Some of these are for my girl Mimi, because we're talking and I gotta hook my girl up, because she don't got a Trader Joe's near her and I gotta travel. So I said, I got you. When I see you, I got you. These are the plantain crisps I was talking about. I saw this stir fry that looks really, really good. Here's the other bag of plantain. Baby spinach, arugula, lots of cookies. Listen, I think I might have overdid it, but we only live once, and I want to try new things. So yeah, this is a little Trader Joe's haul. Had me a long ass day. The past couple hours I didn't vlog because I was on the phone most of the time. I finished my Trader Joe's shopping, and then when I got on the highway to come home, I missed my exit and I was going through like a business route. There were a lot of stores. So I actually ended up stopping at Gabes and Plato's Closet. So I'll put like a little clip of what I got there. I didn't get much, but yeah, that was my day. I was on the road a lot. I was on the phone a lot, talking to my friends, chit-chatting while I was out and about. But yeah, it was a good day. It was a nice Friday. I got things done. I did a lot more than what I expected to. So I'm gonna put my Trader Joe's stuff away now. Stay tuned for an IKEA video of us either building or me showing off. I'm not sure yet, but I will be talking about the items that I got from IKEA. Definitely gonna have a revamp of my vanity, like setting up my new vanity. So yeah, stay tuned for some of those videos that are going to be coming in the future. If you have any ideas, any videos you want me to do, comment down below. Thank you guys for tuning in to my random ass day in my life shopping, running errands video. You're a trooper. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.